Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from collegedunia.com. Today I am at SJ Institute of Physiotherapy, which is located in Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Today we are having with Dr. P. Dhanasekharan sir. He is a director in SJ Institute of Physiotherapy, Ahmedabad. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunia. Hello,
Thank you. Welcome to LG Institute of Physiotherapy.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, starting with the questionnaire session, sir. My first question to is that being the director of LG Institute of Physiotherapy, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
So the philosophy of leadership is the main thing is to get in connection with everyone. Everyone, all the staffs are in connection with everyone, and they are working towards a common goal to achieve a common goal for the institute, to upgrade the institute, to upgrade the student, to bring the quality education for the students. So this is the common motto we have in our LJ Institute of Physiotherapy. So for this we work together, and it is not only the director, it is not only on my shoulder. So I keep responsibility, or I give responsibility to all the staffs in this institute. So accordingly they act or behave, they implement the rules, they suggest, we discuss everyone, we discuss everything in the meeting. Then I listen more about from our staffs. Everyone are very easily, they can adapt to the opinions of others, or they are listening, and we come to a good solution, or we take a good decision from the for the institute. So I think leadership is not only for the director or the principal or HOD, whatever it is, it should be a common thing. It should be fall on the shoulders of all the staff of the institute. Everyone should take the leadership, or everyone should be the in chargeable person. Everyone should be the responsible person. So that is my philosophy of leadership that we are following in LJIPT.
Very nicely explained, sir. So, coming to the next question. Being the director of LJ Institute of Physiotherapy, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your institute?
Regarding administration and marketing, we are having a good admission counselor here. So our admission counselor, and we have an admission team over here for a marketing of the during admission time. We promote our institute at various social media platforms like Facebook, or we can YouTube. Then we are providing prospectus, printed prospectus, soft copy of the brochure. So everything we are circulating here. So that is I think a good marketing. And apart from that, we have our students are topper in the university. So it is a big marketing, I think. So we are getting a good results in each year. So that itself a good marketing. Apart from the other media, everything, I think that is a good marketing.
Very nicely explained about the question, sir. So, coming to the next question. What do you think your roles and responsibility to the institute and the students are?
My roles and responsibility for the institute and for the student is to maintain a good standard and the growth of the institute. The growth of the institute mainly depends upon the students' output, what we are giving the education, what is the quality of education, how much the student is gathering inside the classroom as well as outside the classroom. So here we are mainly implementing the evidence-based practical or evidence-based theory, whatever we are teaching here, it is up to the mark with other good university across the globe. So, and my responsibility is to bring out a good students to the profession or to the hospital or academic side. They should be shining, or they should be looking different from the other students. That is our goal in LJIPT. It is a university, LJ University logo itself, it is a university with a difference. So our students here, we are teaching everyone, each and every student. We are doing mentorship program, and we are taking more care as like the parents for their welfare as well as their knowledge growth. So this is, I think, the leadership responsibility.
Very well said, sir. So, on that note, my next question to you is, What do you think should be the institute's top priority over the next 10 years?
So the next 10 years, we are planning to start up the Master of Physiotherapy program. Now we have a Bachelor of Physiotherapy program, which is a 4.5 years course. And from next year, we are planning to start our Master of Physiotherapy program. And Master of Physiotherapy program, then we are planning to open in 4 branches, that is orthopedics, cardiology, then rehabilitation, then neurology. After 10 years, the college should be under LJ University, and we should also have the PhD program. Also, we are planning to start the PhD program in another 10 years. So it will be a full-fledged college or institute, whatever you can say. Then we are planning our outpatient department in Sarkej. We are outskirts of college. We are planning one outpatient department in Sarkej, where we can have a more inflow of patients, which is more necessary for the students' teaching as well as training basis.
Very well said, sir. So on that note, my next question to you is that what would you like people to know about your institute they may not know?
In LJ Institute of Physiotherapy, we are following the basic curriculum and we are giving personal attention. This is the main difference, I think, apart from other institutes. Here we are giving the personal attention to each and every student, so that we are assessing the student from the first year only. Then we are giving them the necessary training or necessary support, necessary counseling, whatever we are giving from their first year only. So the staffs are also more involved in this LJ program. This is called a mentorship program, and this is a unique feature in LJ IPT. So if a student is a weak student, so first year only we are assessing the student, what is the level of the student, what is the ability or any other extracurricular talent the student is having. That will be identified in the first year only. Then accordingly the student will be motivated or given counseling or given supported for the entire program of the course, entire program.
Very well said, sir. So coming to the next question, what do you see as LJ Institute of Physiotherapy's greatest strength?
Greatest strength. So LJ Institute of Physiotherapy greatest strength is it lies with the each and every staff. Qualification of each and every staff is high, and they are updating themselves. The staffs are updating themselves. So automatically the staffs are updating means the knowledge will be transformed to the students only. So that is the big strength of the LJI Institute of Physiotherapy. We give practical based knowledge to the students.
Very well said, sir. So coming to the next question, how do you tend to establish a healthy relation and environment in your institute?
So for maintaining the healthier relation and environment, we conduct our programs like we have faculty development program. In this faculty development program, we staff sit together and we discuss everything. We have competition, we have cultural programs, we have quiz programs, and we have seminars, we have a workshop, we are conducting workshops. So with this we are improving our relationship as well as the responsibilities of each staff.
Very well said, sir. So my next question is, any insights into how your institute could be more welcoming to students of different economic backgrounds?
Yeah, we provide, we support the scholarship, different scholarship we are giving in the LJ Institute of Physiotherapy. Say, for example, we are giving the backward classes scholarship, OBC scholarship, then SC/ST student scholarship, we are supporting that. Then single parent side, then Mukhya Mantri scholarship we are supporting. So these are the main supportive scholarship we are encouraging the students, and the students, they don't know about this scholarship. So we conduct one education in the first year only, and we provide the support, whatever support needed for the students for the scholarship, we provide the details and so.
Very well said, sir. So coming to the last question, Any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Yeah, the current youth, they should be not so more bookish, they should be more practical, because you can study one book easily and you can write whatever, but theory is different and practical is different. So we are concentrating in our institute more on the practical. It is a practical oriented study or program, so we are more practical oriented. So my advice to students is, don't be bookish or theoretical. You come out of the box. You come out of the box and you see the practical, what is going in the market or what is going in the hospital, clinics, what is going. So be practical and be innovative. You think differently. So that is my idea or advice to the students.
Very well said, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your institute, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for being a part of College University. Thank you.